finally! Jesus. Right, this is definitely the final video.
She says.
He says.
She.
And it's a freighter from Don to go to Felixstowe. Booten has stayed down for like 6 whole minutes.
I'm trying to get out of the bloody sun here, because me and the sun is like egg dropped.
As I said, Booten's stayed down for a solid 6 or so minutes. And,
we know it for our 428 Zulu.
or 4Z28.
Yeah, I'm not surprised it's just a Z. That's Christmas, knows a short-term plan. And then past here at least 22. What are we on?
Well, 17.
Like 20 bloody 5. I said like.
So it's like 8 minutes late. We have an
5?
8 minutes late freight
Barely.
to go to
Just past here was like 22.
You said 17 a minute ago.
That's expected for Booten.
Oh.
Plus or minus 2 from this. I think we're heading back over there, Shane.
There's no point. No point. Here it is, right up Booten.
Booten actual past 23. I'll transfer over.
My mum's having a moan about barriers.
Why don't you moan about that? Look, I'll put you in there quick, straight, bent. Like one of them freight, you put it in a boom like nothing else has. You're said to basically be, can't put it politely, but a cockface.
Is this a Freightliner or a Gubruf?
A flun.
So Freightliner.
What the fucking hell is that?
You've mentioned that. Looks like a Freightliner.
Yeah. Fritlana. There's a reflection in the bus. The lights.
Oh yeah.
It's funky.
On 27633 over there.
Yeah, 27633.
Here comes a 66 Mark V for Freightliner.
Was it a 9? They do them.
No. Come on, be like 374 and give us a 2. 66.5 70.
66,570!
66.570. Whoa! 60,004. It's a beatboxing freight train. $66,570 to Felixstowe and $60,004 to Lindsay. There it goes, and if you didn't hear, it was 66,570 to Felixstowe and $60,004 to Lindsay. Anyways, I'll see you next time.